Hello, YouTube. It's Black Tiger Miner here. Welcome you guys back to the Black Tiger Miner YouTube channel. Let's go. So remember, Kaspa. I'm going to get to the numbers and then we're going to go over something. Is Kaspa forming a double top? We'll talk about that after we go to the numbers real quick. So if you can see here, Kaspa's up 11.1% today. It's down 0.5% in the last hour. For the week, it's up 38%. For the month, it's up 77.1%. And for the year, there's only one big dog here, and the big dog is Kaspa. It's up 15,174%. So people have been talking about the ASCII miners coming online and Kaspa crashing and manipulation. I've been hearing a lot about people manipulating the currency, the cryptocurrency, to boost it so people will buy the ASCII miners. And actually, I'm looking at ASCII miners myself, but we'll get to that in another discussion when we're talking about the mining Kaspa. But this video is mainly just looking at the price information. So Live Coin Watch is saying current market cap 687 million. And I remember when the market cap was what, 100 million or 200 million? So it's definitely went through the roof. So we're at 0.56 in the last hour. The last 24 hours, it's up 11.62%. Last 7 days, it's up 38.09%. Last 30 days, it's 72.65%. Last 90 days, it's 32.94%. And for the year, it's up 15,000%, which is astronomical. And we'll look at, let's see here, CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap has it at 0.03446, up 10.80%. Bitcoin's up 10.88%, and Ethereum's up 10.74%. As you can see, it just went up while we're watching it. Current market cap is 680 million, up 11.5%. Fully disputed market cap is up 10.92% to 997 million. Current volume is 29 million in the past 24 hours. So it's up 19.8%. Total circulating supply is 19.7 billion. Max supply is 28.6 billion. And total supply is 19.7 billion. And if you can see here, the last all-time high is, which can't be right, 0.038, and currently we're at 0.035. So we'll get into this double top pattern later, but I just want to do the block explorer real quick and we'll come back to that. So total hash rate is 2.06 petabytes. I think I'm saying that right. Circulating supply is 19.7 billion. Percent mined is 67.99. The next reduction is 18 days down to 185 cash per block. TPS is 2.2 transactions per second, and BPS is 1.6 blocks per second. Latest price is 0.0349. Total volume is 29 million. Market cap is 689 million. And the rank is 210, which is also weird because we'll look here. Their rank is 65 and it's almost in the top 50, so it's coming. Let's go. Kaspa, Kaspa, Kaspa. Come on. And the price here is 0.0348. It's up 11.7%. And Bitcoin's up 12.3%. They're saying market cap is 690 million. Trading volume is 21.1 million. Fully distributed is, I guess that's 1 billion. Current supply, circulating supply is 19.7 billion. Total supply is 19.7. Max supply is 8.7 billion. And then let's look at this. So the definition of a double top. The double top is extremely bearish technical reverse pattern that forms after asset reaches a high price 2 consecutive times within a moderate decline between two heights. Double top is extremely bearish technical reverse pattern that forms after asset reaches a high price 2 consecutive times with a moderate decline between is confirmed once the asset falls below the support level equal to the low between 2 points. So let's go back and look at this. Okay, let's look here. So you can see here, the all-time high was here, which I thought it was 4 something, but whatever, 0.038. And you can see it came down to 0.045, 0.0145, and it's back up to 0.034. So if it gets back up above this 39, which it's really close, this is actually a double top pattern. So it's definitely bearish, right? And you can see here, I think this guy, okay, here we go. So it was at 0.044 and it went down to 0.013. Excuse me. And now it's back to, come on, 0.035. So it's on the way. I'm not sure if it's going to hit it or not, but it's looking real bearish. Remember, Kaspa, Kaspa, Kaspa. And then to add to the overall news here, let's see key takeaways. A double pattern is a bearish technical reverse pattern. It is not easy to spot as one would think because there needs to be a confirmation with a break below support. While double top is a bearish signal, a double bottom is a bearish signal. I don't even know what that means. Double top usually having an upswing initial peak through a second peak and a neckline. Investors can short trade after the break or place small trades as the double top may have limited profit potential. So what does a double top tell you? Double top signals a median or long-term trend change in the asset class. Take a look at several historic examples. The chart above is Amazon, shows a double top pattern formed between September and October 2018 around a price of 2,050. The important support in this case was formed around 1,880 despite falling nearly 8% from October peak to a support at 1,080. One cannot confirm the double top after the stock fell below 1,880. From that point forward, the shares went up to plunge about 31% further. Another example is Netflix. So if you think about it, Amazon and Netflix are bangers. And if this is even in a category with Netflix and Amazon, Kaspa is a banger. I've been telling you guys, Kaspa, Kaspa, Kaspa. Forget Polygon, forget Polymatic, forget Cardano, whatever it is. Who cares? Forget everything and start watching Kaspa. This is not financial advice. This is just me telling you for entertainment purposes. If you want to make a couple bucks, start watching Kaspa. So this is something else. Okay, so I rarely see anything on Kaspa. right? I'm looking all the time, and there's hardly any articles about Kaspa. So I'm on MSN yesterday because generally get these stock updates, right? You know, you give me your feed, and I always look at what's the new cryptocurrency. So they're always telling you all kind of extra bullshit, right? All kind of shit you never even heard of. So today, well, yesterday I'm looking. Was this yesterday? Yeah, yesterday I was looking last night. The crypto market's uptrend this year shows the resilience of top cryptocurrencies. Although there was not no rapid or previous bull run, this uptick is positive since the rise of the tide should continue to lift all boats. That's good, actually. For smaller projects that provide utility for long-term growth, not just meme coins, is likely to produce big gains. I strongly support utility coins and recommend allocating most of your crypto portfolio to them. However, there's still some underappreciated projects, very compelling valuations. These are cheap cryptos can realistically deliver millionaire making returns. If people become aware of them, I will list three of them today. So the first one is ATAR protocol. ATAR, who cares? Um, Something empowers network adoption, facilitating anonymous communication on the internet. This crypto project users who run Tor relays with a native token. Whatever. I don't even know what they're talking about. But here we go. Kaspa. So the second one is Kaspa. And there's hardly any articles that say Kaspa is a good project. This might be the first one I've seen this year in 2023. So it goes on to say Kaspa is a proof of work cryptocurrency that implements the GhostDAG protocol, which is scalable generalization of Bitcoin's consensus. GhostDAGs enable parallel blocks to coexist and achieve consensus. Unlike traditional blockchains that orphan block, Kaspa blockchain is a block DAO that combines high block rates with proof of work security levels. I find Kaspa very appealing because it offers a fast and low cost transaction layer that can compete with other scalable solutions such as layer 2 protocols or sidechains. Kaspa offers instant validation and confirmation times based on internet latency. This makes it suitable for high volume applications that do not want to compromise decentralization or security. Additionally, CASPA implements a unique monetary policy that reduces emissions geometrically over time. Inspired by the 12-note scale of music, the policy creates predictable and harmonious supply curve that reduces inflation and rewards of adopters. Kaspa has been on quite a run after bottoming out in late May 2023. Since then, it has surged dramatically, and it appears that the momentary has been accelerated. Momentary, I don't know. Considering the project has 625 million in valuation at the time of writing, there is significant upside potential with this crypto. Caspa's price actions being spurred by strong momentum, and I expect this momentum to continue in coming months. So let's read that again. Caspa's price action is spurred by strong monetary, and I expect this momentum to continue in the coming months. So there you go. Caspa's finally getting some recognition. And then if we go back here, we'll check the Twitter real quick. And this is Jim Skybum, which somebody mentioned to me. Thanks for that. And he's saying the heat is on. If you can see here, Kaspa is pumping, right? Like I told you guys. At the end of May, I told you in a couple months, Kaspa's going to rebound and start pumping. Go back and check the videos. Remember who told you first. And then let's see what else is here. Small update. Kaspa is behaving as expecting, and I remain bullish. Graph pattern where it's showing Kaspa's starting to take off. Attaches a small update to my shared chart of KAS. It's behaving as expected. Let's see where Kaspa is going to the next few days. Kaspa is incredible performance, and the hash rate has doubled within 3 months. I think in another 3 months, we'll see another doubling. Awesome. In the last pump, March, May, the hash rate has doubled. Interesting. So, guys, let me know what you think about Kaspa. If you're following it, if you think it's a good project, if you believe, let's see what this guy's talking about. I think I saw. Kaspa is now rated number 66 by market capitalization. Over the last 365 days, Kaspa has been following a positive price movement. 24 hours, 8.3%, 7 days, 45.6%, 14 days, 53.2%, 30 days, 88.9%, and 1 year, 14,500. In my opinion, the top 10 are waiting. So yeah, we're running, baby. We are running. But that was just some of the tweets from today and the other information. So I'm just checking to see if there's any other news. It appears not. But thanks for supporting the channel. Thanks for subscribing. Let me get some comments and let me get at least 60 likes. I see you guys are supporting the channel, and I see you guys are actually getting the word out. So let's help push the word out about Kaspa and keep the price running. This is doing pretty bullish in a bear market. Again, things are going real bullish in a bear market. I can't wait to see what happens in the bull market. But let me know what you think. This is Black Tiger Miner signing out. Remember, Kaspa, Kaspa, Kaspa. Happy Hump Day Wednesday, and let's get back to the money.